Hi everyone and welcome back to the MadTechTalk. So as you know, I like to cover different topics regarding the tech gadgets and video gadgets, and recently I went more into video as I also started to use more professional equipment like a good camera, and I decided to also do an audio upgrade. So on this video we're going to review the VideoMic GO II, which is the kind of a top microphone which I found on the market, which is on a budget. I would say it's not very expensive, but actually is making a huge difference from your general audio. So right now you're actually hearing the audio from my Sony ZV-E10 built-in microphone. So you can actually have a bit of a comparison. Now I'm going to put it on my Logitech Brio 4K. Alright, so now it's a Logitech 4K, so you can hear the 4K now, the Logitech Brio, which is my webcam, which is actually grabbing the sounds just as a comparison. And now you can hear the Sony ZV-E10. Quite a difference, right? So these are without any noise reductions. And we're going to compare it with this one as well, and I'm going to go do a full review. So let's open it up and let's see how it works. So we open it here. So open the box, and within the box obviously we have the actual mic. So immediately that mic is with the I think it's a wind protection, as I remember. So this is pretty cool, and obviously it's USB powered. So the cool things about that microphone is that it has a 3.5 millimeter DRS output, but it also have the digital USB output, which is, I think it's a cool thing for the microphone. And we're gonna connect it right now to my camera, to the ZV-E10, and actually compare the sounds. Alright, let's just dig into it. How do you... Oh, that's how you open it. Okay, and this is the stand for it. So, you can see the mic. So this is the stand for it. You can see it right here. That's how it looks. This is the stands. So that's how it looks mounted. So this is how you mount it for the... You can see it here as well. That's how it is when it's mounted on that thing. And here I'm gonna mount it on the actual camera. Anything else? Yes, we should have the cable. Yes, so we have the jack cable. So 3.5 to 3.5. You can see it right here, which should allow us to connect it right now. All right, let's compare the sound quality. Okay, so I just connected the microphone, RØDE VideoMic GO II, and as we can see, there is a difference of the quality. Honestly, I can see a pretty big quality difference, and obviously, like, this is a different setup, and this is without any noise reduction, so I especially recorded this video without any noise reduction, so you can actually, if you want to hear it detailed, I would recommend using the headphones. But regarding that microphone, I think it's a very cool microphone which you can connect to your computer, to your camera, to your phone as well, because it actually allows the digital USB output for use with mobile devices, so you can use USB-C to USB-C and connect it with that. And I think that's cool if you want to, use it as an external microphone. And also it has that kind of red stabilizers, which also makes it even nicer because it's in the air and it's grabbing stuff from the direction. So if I will try to speak on the side now, so you can actually see how it takes the sound if I don't talk to it directly. So I actually talk to the 90 degree, and this is like this degree, and if I talk on this degree and then on this degree, so you can see that obviously it's a direct microphone, so it actually takes the stuff from when I talk to it, and I think it's very cool. So this is kind of the general kind of overview. I very much like it because it's a very good quality compared to all the other budget microphones. It's still a good budget microphone because the pricing of it's as I remember, less than $100, so you can actually grab it sometimes on a deal, and I think it's a very good quality, especially if you want to raise that quality, because remember, when you record, there are three things: the video quality, the audio quality, and the lighting. or actually video, lighting, and, and the audio. And when you actually improve those three, you realize that your image quality will be much, much better. And this is it. Rafał Sybilla here from MadTechTalk, and see you in the next video. Take care!